Hello all. Today I'll show you how to install MINGW on Windows 10. Okay, open the web browser. In the address bar, just type mingw.org. So this is the home page of the MINGW home page. Then just click on the downloads button. Okay, so once you click on the downloads button, scroll a bit down. So here you will be able to see MINGW get setup.exe file, which is around 91 KB. So click on this button. The file gets downloaded onto the path wherever you have given. So in my laptop, it is going to be stored into the desktop folder. So I'll just right click on this, show in folder. So here the MINGW get setup file is downloaded. So double click on this. First set up the MINGW installer. So install, continue. Okay, so it gets connected to OSDN, so you'll have to wait for some seconds. So once it gets installed, I'll show you the next step what has to be done. So you need internet connection because it downloads the required files from the internet. Okay, then it gets installed. So step 2, you can see here, download and set up MINGW installation manager. So we are now first installing the MINGW installation manager. So using this MINGW installation manager, we can install the MINGW onto our Windows 10 operating system. Okay, so now you can see here we have this what continue. Click on this. Okay, so now our installation manager is done. It is already installed. You can just close all this. Okay, so now here once this is opened, you have basically two packages that needs to be selected and installed. So one is this MINGW32 base bin. So what you do is you're just going to right click on that. Okay, you'll get this mark for installation. Okay, then the other one is the MINGW32 GCC G++ bin. Okay, so just again right click on this, mark for installation. So select these two packages, MINGW32 base bin, MINGW32 GCC G++ bin. So right click on that. Once you right click, you'll get it as, I'll just show you once again. Right click on this, mark for installation. Okay, like this you have to mark these two packages for installation. After that, go to the installation, then click on this apply changes. Okay, so the package changes itemized below will be implemented when you choose apply. So let's click on this apply. So it's connecting to OSDN, so it takes some time to download the packages. So the two packages that we have selected, once both the packages are selected downloaded, then the installation will be done automatically. Okay, so let's wait for some time before it gets downloaded from the internet. All the required files for those two packages will be downloaded from the installation. So you require a internet connection to proceed further. This downloading and installation may take some time, at least some 5 to 6 minutes probably, depending on your internet speed. So downloading is done. Now installation is going on. You can just click on this close dialog automatically when activity is completed. The activity is nothing but the installation of that MinGW. Okay, so the window got closed because the installation is complete now. So you can just close this MinGW installation manager. Now I'll tell you how to configure it. There are some configuration that needs to be done. So we have installed this MinGW in our C folder. Okay, so I'll just go to the C folder. Now here you can see this MinGW folder that is created. Click on that and you get the one more subfolder in that MinGW, that is bin binary or bin folder. So click on this bin folder. So what you need to do is in this address bar just right click and copy the address. Okay, so once you are done with that, you can just close this again, go to the search bar, then here type control panel. So open the control panel. So once you open the control panel, you should be in this view by category, large icon, small icon. So just click on view by category. Now here you just have to click on the system and security. So once you click on that system and security, click on this system. Okay, then click on advanced system settings. So another window will pop up. Now here you have this environment variables. Okay, so click on this environment variables. So once you click on this environment variables, you can see here system variables. In that, just search for path. Okay, so once you find this path, double click on that, then go to the new option. Okay, so here you can see a new path that needs to be created. So right click and paste it. So whatever you had copied there, C colon slash mingw slash bin, that path needs to be copied, and okay, okay, and okay, right? And then close this. Now you can open the command prompt. Okay, and again go to the search bar, just type cmd, you'll get a command prompt. Click on that command prompt. Okay, so here you have this command prompt. Now let's see whether MinGW is correctly downloaded, installed and configured. So to check that, just type the command gcc space hyphen hyphen version. Okay, now you can see here you will be able to find the version of the GCC that we have installed, that is 9.2.0. So if you are able to see this, then your MinGW is correctly installed, it is correctly configured. Now you can start programming anything of your choice. You can start the programs. Okay, so what I suggest is I'll now tell you how to use this MinGW. Okay, or how to use GCC on MinGW. So what you need to do is, in my opinion, create a folder, okay, of your own. So how do you create a folder? mkdir, the name of the folder. Okay, so assume, let's give it as test is my folder. So okay, the folder test is created. Now go to that folder, cd test. So now here you can see it, we are inside the test folder. Now inside this you can create all your programs and compile them and save them here only. Okay, so how do we start editing the program, that is typing the program? So you can use this command notepad space file name of the program dot c as the extension. Okay, so I'll just give hello dot c. So hello is the name of the file, dot c is the extension of any C program files. Okay, so hello dot c, just click. So it will show you cannot find hello dot c. Do you want to create a new file? Click on that, yes. So now you can type the C code here, --include stdio.h. A simple program I'm showing here. Okay, so let's put a new line character. Then Control S. You can press Control S to save this file, or go to the file, click on the save button. Then you can use Alt F4 to close this, or you can go to file and you can click on the exit. Right. So now the program is edited. Right. Now your next step is you need to compile it. So to compile the program, you can use this gcc space hello.c. Press the enter key. So if you have any errors, it will display it. If there are no syntax errors, if successfully compilation is done, again you will get a shell prompt like this. So now you just have to execute it. Compilation is done, now you need to run it. So here you have to just type a and press the enter, so the program will run. Or you can just type a.exe also, the program will run. So you're able to see hello world output of the program. So this is the steps to download, install and configure MINGW. The next part I showed you how to use that MINGW also, right? Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you.